Hi guys, Miss Eglin here. Today I wanted to show you again how to check your email and how to go to my website and my YouTube channel. So I'm on Google. I'm going to type in the school name. Okay, if I type in Greensburg, Salem, I'm going to pick school district and I'm going to go to our school district homepage. Okay, so once I'm there, if I want to go to my email, I'm going to hit Office 365 and I'm going to go to Outlook. Okay, to sign in, it would be your 25 last four digits of your last name, first four digits of your first name at gslions.com. Okay, and when you are there, when you click on your Outlook, there is an email for me and it says the Giver Quiz 1. That's the vocabulary pretest. If you click on that, it will take you to Microsoft Forms, and that's where you can take test. Okay, so if you wanted to, so that's how to check your email. So, and this is the quiz right here, and people have been doing really well. Oops, those were some of the answers. Okay, so if you wanted to go to my school website, you're gonna again type in Greensburg. The address is greensburgsalem.org. And you're going to go to schools. Okay, so think, what school do you go to? If you go to the middle school, click middle school, and then you're going to click on faculty, and then you're going to find Liz Eglin. Click on Liz Eglin. Okay, so this is my home page. This is a link to the YouTube channel. Over here is where you want to go. Now there's two links. There's the Giver novel unit. As you can see, I didn't put anything there yet because we have not been using this as we use Office 365. Okay, so there's nothing here yet. However, in the future, there definitely will be links there. If you want to check, this is the weekly lesson plans, and what I find really confusing is, okay, so here's some documents. If you click on this black arrow, okay, it should show you the lesson plans for the week. Okay, so, and I'm looking at this complete summarizing activity. We're going to change this up a little bit and we may read chapter 7 today. This is what's graded, and again, their lesson plan document is over here. If you would ever need that, I don't know why you would, but just in case. So if you want to go to the YouTube channel, let's just say you're on YouTube, obviously you're just going to click in Miss MISS space Eglin and then type in the Giver and then whatever chapter you want. Okay, so again, I will be updating these. I'm planning to re-record all of the chapters actually. So this background might be different, okay, but it will be the chapter, and I did want to include the vocabulary in there. And I think right now that might be all you need. Obviously, if there's more, I will make another video and email it to you and send you directions on how to do that. So thank you. Have a great day and keep checking back for more information. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and smash the bell. Thank you very much. Bye.